Hi you guys, if you want to learn how to make my easy and delicious spatchcock chicken, stay tuned. So I'm starting off with a whole chicken here, and I'm going to be using kitchen scissors. I've done this technique spatchcocking several times, and I've used a regular kitchen knife, but I find that using the scissors is just a bit easier. So I found the backbone of the chicken, and I'm just going to use those scissors to cut around that bone to remove it. So once I removed that backbone, I went ahead and flipped the chicken over and applied a little bit of pressure on that chicken breast just to open it up a little bit more so it can lay flatter. So I transferred that into my cast iron skillet that I have greased at the bottom just so it won't stick and burn. And I seasoned it with some salt, some pepper, some garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, rosemary, and thyme. You can season it with any combination you want, but that's what I have on hand and I like those flavors together, so that's what I use. And I went a little haywire on that rosemary, but that's okay. It's still going to taste good. So I flipped the chicken over and I tucked those wings in just so they won't burn while they're baking. And next I have a half a stick of butter, and I'm going to slowly pull that chicken skin up. If you just yank it up, it's going to rip, and that's not what you want. Skin acts as a barrier and it helps keep the chicken moist, so you want to do it slowly. You don't want to rip the skin, and then you want to go ahead and push that butter up in between the skin and the breast, and you want to spread that all around. It helps if your butter is a little bit soft. It just makes it a little bit easier to spread that butter around. So once you're done spreading that butter around, you want to go ahead and season the top part just the same as you've done with the bottom. And then I drizzle with a little bit of vegetable oil. If you have olive oil, you can certainly use that. And then I pop this chicken into a 400-degree oven for an hour and 35 minutes. It all depends on how large your chicken is. And it comes out like this, and it's so perfect. It is so moist. It is so juicy. I've baked chicken so many times, and this is my absolute favorite way to serve and to eat chicken, hands down. It comes out juicy and perfect every single time. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you love this recipe if you give it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with a friend as well. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.